HB. Let's check out the Libby app that was just added to your iPads. Go ahead and scroll over until you find it. Mine's hidden away in a folder. There's Libby. Go ahead and click on it. When you first open the app, it may ask you for your public library card. Go ahead and type it in. If it doesn't ask you, go up to the right-hand corner and go to See Library Cards or Add a Library. Once you're in, it'll ask you for your library card number and library account. Then you can choose any book that is listed. Let's see what's available. Ooh, there's lots of different things. I want to read Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Meltdown. Let's borrow it. And I choose Borrow. And once it's loaded, I'll be able to read it from my device. Okay, let's open it up. And there is Diary of a Wimpy Kid right on my device. How cool is that? I can go through and read it.